Over there is our house. And there's Wally. We are kidless. We are going to climb the Butte, or this mountain, whatever you call it. Here we go. Starting to walk. I'm dying here. Can hardly breathe. Oh, look at that view. Still have a lot more to go. There's our neighborhood below. I'm so out of shape, holy crap. Okay, this is definitely called a butte, not a mountain, because it's got this flat area at the top. You can see our house. There it is. Wow, our house is way down there.
You left the light on in the bedroom.
I did not.
You can see it. The light's on in the bedroom.
That's our neighbors. Ooh. Look at how out of shape I am. My face is so red. In perfectly good shape. Not me.